When homeowners in Sumter, South Carolina think about boosting their property value, they often focus on kitchens, bathrooms, or flooring. However, one upgrade that consistently delivers strong returns, often at a lower cost, is replacement doors. From curb appeal to energy efficiency, new doors play a powerful role in increasing both the perceived and real value of a home in the Sumter market. First impressions matter in Sumter neighborhoods. In real estate, first impressions are everything. Your front door is one of the first features buyers notice, and in Sumter's competitive housing market, that initial impact can set the tone for the entire showing. An outdated, faded, or damaged door can make a home feel neglected, even if the interior is well maintained. Replacing old doors with modern, well-designed options instantly improves curb appeal. Whether it's a stylish entry door, sleek patio doors, or upgraded interior doors, these changes signal that the home has been cared for and updated, qualities buyers in Sumter actively look for. Increased energy efficiency attracts buyers. Sumter's climate brings hot, humid summers and cooler winters, making energy efficiency a major concern for homeowners and buyers alike. Old doors often have gaps, warping, or poor insulation that allow air leaks, driving up heating and cooling costs. Modern replacement doors are designed with advanced insulation, tighter seals, and energy-efficient materials that help maintain indoor temperatures. When buyers see lower energy bills as a possibility, they see added value. Energy-efficient replacement doors can become a strong selling point, especially for families looking to manage long-term utility costs. Enhanced security adds real value. Home security is a top priority for many Sumter homeowners. Older doors may lack reinforced cores, secure locking systems, or impact-resistant materials. New replacement doors often come with improved locking mechanisms, stronger frames, and durable construction that increases overall home security. Buyers are willing to pay more for a home that feels safe and secure. Upgraded doors provide peace of mind and reduce concerns about break-ins, which directly contributes to higher perceived home value. Modern style appeals to today's buyers. Design trends evolve, and replacement doors allow homeowners to align their property with modern tastes. Clean lines, decorative glass inserts, contemporary finishes, and coordinated hardware can dramatically update the look of a home. In Sumter, where buyers appreciate a balance of Southern charm and modern comfort, updated doors help bridge that gap. Matching entry doors, interior doors, and patio doors create a cohesive, polished appearance that makes a home feel move-in ready, something buyers are often willing to pay a premium for. Low-cost upgrade with high return. Compared to major renovations, door replacement is relatively affordable while still offering a strong return on investment. New doors can significantly increase resale value without the disruption or expense of larger remodeling projects. For homeowners planning to sell in the near future, replacing worn or outdated doors can help the property stand out in listings, attract more showings, and potentially shorten time on the market in Sumter. Improved functionality for everyday living. Beyond aesthetics and resale value, replacement doors improve daily living. Smooth operation, reduced noise, better insulation, and easier maintenance all enhance the homeowner's experience. Buyers notice these functional improvements during walkthroughs, even if they can't immediately articulate why the home feels better. A smart investment for Sumter homeowners. Replacement doors do more than refresh a home's appearance. They improve efficiency, security, comfort, and marketability. For homeowners in Sumter, South Carolina, investing in high-quality replacement doors is a smart, customer-focused upgrade that adds real value now and in the future. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to improve your home, new doors offer benefits that go far beyond their initial cost.